Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Izolo uLucky Montana we-MK Party ubhale le post ku-X yakhe yaziwa ngeTwitter. Post ifundeka kanje: Early this year, I approached the leadership of MKP that I intend to step down as member of the National Assembly. At the end of the year, on the 30th of August 2025, I formally wrote to Dr. Hlophe and Chief Whip Colin Makhubela, confirming the same. Today, my resignation takes effect. Uma ngibona le post izolo, ngiye ngabheka ephejini lomkhonto wesizwe party ngathi abashongo lutho mayelana nalolu daba, kodwa ngathi ngoba uLucky Montana kubhale yena mhlambe lento ayisho iyiqiniso. Okuthe ukuhambeni kosuku umkhonto wesizwe party wathi uskip statement mayelana nalolu daba, kodwa akwenzile uLucky Montana later on uclarifyile ukuthi akaresignanga noma akaresign as a member ye-MK Party, kodwa resigner as a member of parliament. So lokho nje kufanele sikuhlukanise ukuthi akaresign as a member ye-MK Party but uresigner as a member of parliament. Lapha eParliament ukuyi-portfolio committee transport econtributor kakhulu, ikakhulukazi njengomuntu one-experience osebenze kwi-Transnet isikhathi eside and ubuzwa namagalelo wakhe ukuthi kukhuluma umuntu owaziyo ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Ukuba khona kwakhe ubenza ukuthi i-MK Party ibe nesisindo eParliament. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ey'nyangeni ezedlule i-MK Party ke yacriticizwa kakhulu, kwathiwa ayibonakali yenzani eParliament. Engakuqaphela ngalokho, abantu ababekhuluma lokho kwakungabantu abangawabuka ama-portfolio committee, futhi kwakungabantu abazi ukuthi i-political party ukuze i-contribute eParliament kufanele ibangumsindo. Kodwa nje uLucky Montana ibona abantu laba ebesazi ukuthi uma kuthinta idaba nje le-Department of Transport, uyibona abantu abeza ne-contribution. Akhona nabanye bamanye ama-political party, kodwa ngoba le video mayelana noLucky Montana sikhuluma ngaye, ngizocaphuna le post la clarify khona ngaphambi kokuba sifunde istatement esikhishwa umkhonto wesizwe party. NoMagasela Mzobe uphawulile futhi ngayo le post kaLucky Montana. Magasela ubhale kanjena yena: Thanks Comrade Montana for your dedication and service to the organization. May you win the battles against the establishment. Until we meet again, when you will be taking your rightful position in 2029. Bhala kanjena uMagasela ngoba i-MK Party nenkolelo yokuthi ngo-2029 bazowina ama-elections, okusho ukuthi bazobe beku-government. Okwamanje they are a government in waiting. Ngo-2029 bazowina nje i-government, bazowina nje nge-majority, no 50+1, into abakholelwa kuyo. Alikho-ke iphutha, wonke umuntu kufanele azethembe kuyonke into ayenza, ngoba uma uzingabaza wena ubani ofanele akwethembe. MK Party ke iyazethemba noma namanje banenkolelo ukuthi bawawina ama-elections, ukuthi nje kwaba khona lento e-vote rigging. Angeze ukukhuluma ke ngaleyo nto leyo, kodwa ngisho into abakholelwa kuyo. Yingakho kuMagasela ethi ngo-2029 uzobe sethatha iposition yakhe emfanele. Lapho becacisa ngoba bese kuney'nkulumo ey'ningi ikakhulukazi ezivela kuma-fighters ukuthi uxoshiwe uLucky Montana, ziningi izinto abebezikhuluma. Wayese ecacisa la uthi, to MKP members and supporters, I've resigned as a member of the National Assembly but not from the MK Party. My letter below to the leadership dated 30 September 2025 tells the story leading to my resignation. Sizoyifunda ke letter ngoba uthi iyona echazayo ukuthi kungani eze wathatha lesinqumo noma yini lempushela ukuthi azafike la eresigna khona. Sizofunda ke le letter. Sikiphoste ebibhalwe omunye wama-fighter ethi uku-Apostle Dr. D. Mrwetyana ethi Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza, the MK party has fired Lucky Montana from his position as a member of parliament. Yingakho-ke uLucky Montana ebhale leya post ade siyifunda la clarify khona ukuthi cha uresign wasikhiphela iletha yakhe ezosivezela izathu ezosichazela kungani resignile ngoba ebona ukuthi sebesizakele ikakhulukazi ama-fighter. Uthi uGayton McKenzie mayekhuluma ngama-fighter uthi labantu ngeke bakutshela ukuthi i-political party yabo izokwenzani, izimisela ukwenzani, ifuna ukubenzelana abantu. Kodwa into abayenza kangcono is to gossip. Angazi noma wayiqinisile noma wayiqamba amanga na ngokusho njalo. Kodwa ngisho nje into yasho uGayton McKenzie. Angifuni nokuyifaka futhi ivideo yakhe la ngoba sake sakhuluma ngayo. Una email ayibhalile le eyibhalela uColin Makhubela o-Chief Whip kanye noDr Hlophe waye-caucus leader lapha eParliament. Ithi, Dear Dr Hlophe and Chief Whip, this serves to inform you of my intention to step down as a member of Parliament at the end of the 4th term of Parliament. This is for personal reasons. I had previously raised my intention to step down with the Chief Whip, Honorable Colin Makhubela. Whilst I resigned from Parliament, I remained a disciplined and dedicated member of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. I continue to share the MK's mission to pursue the goal of total liberation for the black majority. I intend to submit my letter of resignation to the Speaker of Parliament at the start of the 4th term. I wish to take this opportunity to thank President J.G. Zuma for the honor to serve the mighty MKP and the people of South Africa in Parliament. I'm inspired by the extraordinary revolutionary life that President Zuma continues to lead. President Zuma is not only giant of our liberation struggle, a true son of Africa and intentionalist, but a champion of the rural and urban poor. President Zuma continues to show the way on how to execute the struggle for true freedom, radical socio-economic transformation of our country and achieve African unity and progress. Msholozi remained an inspiration to many of us, the younger generations, to millions in our country, the African continent and the world. I take this opportunity to thank our Deputy President and Party Leader in Parliament, Dr. Mandlakaise Hlophe, for the warm welcome in Parliament and the encouragement he had given me since August 2024, when I first joined the team, and for his leadership of our caucus. I salute the Chief Whip, Colin Makhubela, for his steering leadership role in the National Assembly with all my comrades in the MKP caucus, who continue to raise the flag high, pursuing the cause of total liberation for the black majority. I trust to find the above in order. Kind regards. Umubheka lapha ine-date ukuthi wayithumela ngoLwesibili ngomhla ka-30 kuSeptember kwaku-10:52 AM ethumela le email. So njengoba lo ifighter lithi uxoshiwe, angaxosha umuntu wabhala yena ngoSeptember ukuthi ucela ukustepha down ngoba esifuna ukudila nama-personal reasons. Lo muntu onjalo ngathi uxoshiwe na. Yingakho ngithe uGayton wathi i-EFF ayikhulumi ngokuthi bona njengeqembu bazokwenzani, bazokwenzelana umphakathi, kodwa into abayenza kangcono ukugosipha. Angisho mina kanjalo, ngisho amazwi kaGayton. Asifundise iletha ke vela ku-MK Party bese siyayivala le video. The statement MK Party sikhiphe ngomhla ka-1 December 2025. Isihloko sithi MK Party statement on the resignation of Comrade Lucky Montana as the Member of Parliament. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, MKP, note the resignation of Mr. Tshepo Lucky Montana as the Member of Parliament in the National Assembly deployed by the MK Party. Comrade Montana has served the MK Party with steadfast, objectively constructive guidance, and principled contributions that have strengthened our caucus and shaping our collective political effectiveness. His calm but firm leadership and strategic insight has served as an inspiration to many, especially the younger cadres who look to him for consistency, discipline, and revolutionary wisdom. His service to the movement and to the people of South Africa has been marked by loyalty, courage, and unwavering conviction. Although his departure from parliament has been accepted, the MK party takes comfort in knowing that he remains part of the continued struggle for the total emancipation of the black child as a committed member of the Umkhonto weSizwe party.
Die masjien moet afgeskakel word. EFF, there's no politics, it's just gossip. That leader of the EFF, Malema, was a anti wat net skinder. Hy ding skinder, sy press conferences, hy praat nie van die party, doesn't talk about his party, about his policies, about what they're going to do. He just talk about individuals. Mackenzie does.
Ukuze ukuphawula ku comment section. Ulike, share i-video. Ungasupporta kusidonatela noma ngamaleni khona account kwi-comment ephiniwe. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember ye-channel iqala ku-R40 ngenyanga kuya phezulu. Mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Oh, ungaklikha no super thanks.